Hey YouTube, it's Nettie Morris. I am the mom who was laid off turned digital entrepreneur. And I love to help other moms and other people learn about the benefits of digital entrepreneurship and to start their own online businesses. Okay, so I'm here today, folks. Let me just jump right in. I am so excited. I am so pumped because oftentimes I run into people who don't have that much money. They might be at the end of their rope, etc. Here is something that even they can benefit from. This is something we can all benefit from. It's free. Free money alert, free money alert. Did I say it again? Free money alert. It's for you. It's for you. It's for you. Okay, it's simple. It's simple. It's simple. I'm telling you guys, we are the new TV, right? Everybody knows that we are the new TV channels. Okay, we are the CBS, the NBC, the ABC. And companies are turning to us to promote their products. They're doing it. Here we have, folks, a bank, okay? A bank that wants to promote their services, okay? Their bank, right? It's an online bank. I'm stoked about it. It is so simple for you to make $20 over and over and over again. $20 right now, over and over and over again. Free, no investment. The only investment is you telling somebody about it, okay? So I have my card here. I'm going to show you guys. I have my card. Now, all I had to do, okay, and all you have to do is visit my link, okay? My link is going to be below. Visit my link, right? Input your little information, okay? Get your app. They're going to send you a card, right? They're going to send you a card, okay? Now, once you use your card, this is how it works. I'm going to make $20. You're going to tell somebody about it. You're going to give them your link, okay? And then they're going to do the same thing, and you're going to make $20 over and over and over again, right? Just from sharing it. You share your link with someone, and you're going to make $20 over and over and over again. It's that simple. Hence, Simple Bank. And this bank is pretty nifty, folks. They have no fee, no fees, no fees, no fee. Don't y'all like that? Who don't like fee-free checking, fee-free checking, fee-free checking? Okay, so it's an online bank. We're all going to get into it. We're going to get this free money, okay? Referral, they're building their business, and we building up our wallet, okay? Build up your wallet today with Simple. Look below. Get my link. If you find value in this, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to hit you with everything I got to help you be successful in this online world and to help you put some money in your pocket, honey. All right? So I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.